Welcome to the Teaching Electronic Medical Record. This tutorial will address how to sort patients in the database by criteria. When you want to use a previously created search or make a new one, click on the Population Health tab. If previous queries have been created, they will appear in alphabetic order below. They will also display the name of the person who created the query and when it was created. To view the results of a query, click on Show Count. Here you will see the number of patients in the database, the number of patients who match the criteria of the search, and the percentage of the total number that met the criteria. To return to the previous page, click on Return to Query List. To create a new query, click on the New Query button in the upper right-hand corner of the page. You will be prompted to assign a name to your query. Just enter the name in the field provided. Then click the field below to give the query a short description. When you are finished, click OK. The start of your new query will open. If you decide to change the name or description in the future, just click on the link provided below the name. The first box below the criteria label is there to allow you to determine just how strict you want to be with the search. Do you want to search to sort based on all criteria that you select, or do you want it to include patients that meet just one or two of the listed criteria? Click on the down arrow next to Choose Criterion to see the options for search filters. Click on the criteria that best applies. Each criteria filter is a bit different in the details it requires. Fill out the details to help refine your search. Click on Add Another to get more specific detail and narrow the search. When searching terms, enter in the first 3 to 5 characters of a term and search for the best match in the drop-down. Remember that some of these may be coded terms and will have answers associated with them. Also, there may be different search terms used to collect the same data, so you may want to select more than one term that applies to the same criteria. In some cases, you will need to specify the result or answer to the search term to get the right representation. You can also narrow the date range. Notice that there is a running tally in the upper right-hand corner that displays the number of patients in the database that meet the criteria selected. Click OK when you're done. You will now see the statistics based on the search criteria you've entered. The total patient population searched in the database, the patient count that matched the criteria you selected, and the percentage the count represents in the total population in the database. It's really up to you to design what you would like to do with this information and how you would like to apply it. We have the data. You decide what you want to do with it, and the possibilities are limitless.